Dude, it stinks like shit. It smells like a hot, fresh pile of doo-doo. Like literally, someone just pooped. Welcome back to the channel. This is Steadfast2277, and today on this episode, we're gonna gut out the Mustang, and we're gonna pretty much find out where there's ants living in this, because there's ants all over this car. I keep finding. We're gonna find their little nest, and we're gonna find out what we need. I'm gonna make a to-do list type of thing on a whiteboard. We're gonna put it up on the wall, so that way every time we do a video, we accomplish something. We're gonna do a little check off, and that leads us closer and closer to this restoration of this old antique to get it back on the right. So this is gonna make it a little easier because you know what? Nothing is bolted in this car. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the driver's seat. Oh, shit. Okay. Look at that, the box not even bolted in. There's the side panel. Alright. The door skirts for the rocket. It was original 1966. That's original rot from 1966. Alright. If that's... Let's get that out of there. Door handle. Alright. It's good. There we go. Here's the center console. Be careful about that. It just seems so brittle. Alright. The passenger seat. I don't even want to sit in this. Oh. Okay. That's wet. Oh, I think we had some rats, mice, whatever. Alright, now this should be easy to come out.
That shit's gonna be fucking nested and rotted too.
Oh!
What?
A bunch of dust. Dude, it stinks.
You should put a... Yeah, you
It
should...
smells like mold.
You should... There probably is mold all in that. Probably wear...
You need a pitch though.
Oh,
You should wear a mask for that.
Love that. I like.
Bite.
Oh, alright. Look how easy this is coming up though, because you already did it all, you know? A bunch of hardware though. I'm gonna put that up there, that's for the window. This is the center. Look this up. And get. Yep. Dude, it stinks like shit. It smells like a hot, fresh pile of doo-doo. Like literally, someone just pooped. Oh. Dude, it stinks.
Probably rat shit on this
It
car.
just reeks. Oh. Oh.
I love how you're just taking it.
Dude, it's just getting worse.
You used to put a fucking mask on. You're not...
No.
Oh my
All the
God.
rust, dust, and everything you're getting in fucking
Disgusting.
your lungs, dude.
So what are you gonna do with that? You're gonna toss and get on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, look at the water.
See, I knew it. There was standing water in here.
That's why it smells.
This is the mold. There's definitely mold in here. I'm really smelling it. It smells like someone took a crap in here and just left it. Because it just stinks.
Just let it
You're gonna have to fucking out this whole car.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm in here still. It stinks. Alright, I gotta hurry up. Oh, shit.
I smell it.
Oh. There's definitely a turd in here. Jesus. Oh. There we go.
The title for your video needs to be "Someone Took a Shit in My Mustang." You
Yeah.
know how many people would watch it?
I gotta get out of here. Whew. Oh, so much for being freaking light. 2,000 pounds my ass. Is it blocking the right way?
Yeah.
Okay. I can go right.
Yeah, keep going. If you want to go all the way to the block, you got a while.
Push in front of the frame. Yeah. Don't push the door though. Oh my
2 hours later.
god. Oh, I think I know why.
Is there a block on the other side? Oh my fucking Lord.
Yes. Muffler tape. Damn it!
You guys are struggling.
Are you there?
No, we got a while.
Shit. Oh, we ran into the muffler.
Oh, we didn't.
Yeah,
On the
the
other
other
side?
tire. Yeah.
Jeez, babe.
Put it in the middle.
Want to push it back?
Push it back.
Yeah.
Babe, help him. Push it back.
Alright, we're good. Okay, ready? Ready? Yeah.
Alright.
Perfect. That's plenty of room back here.
Wonder why, I think you could have pushed it by yourself.
Yeah, I could have.
You're not on the block, but you're a little close. Enough.
Art, dude, it smells like doo-doo. Why? Karen, come in here.
I'm not.
It just,
My lungs are gonna be clear. I'm never gonna be able to breathe for the next 2 weeks going in that.
like, as I get closer here, it just gets stronger.
Dude, that could be where the AC unit and stuff.
Like, come here. Yeah, come here, film this, come over here.
Oh my god, you want me to smell it too?
Follow me, like,
I'm not
Hold on.
getting that.
here. Throw that on the top. Like, it just smells. Like, I don't know where it's coming from. Like, it's strong. I don't...
It smells like water.
Dude, that ain't water. I don't mind the smell of water.
To me, it smells like
Like
puddle water.
sitting water if it's stagnant. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe there's someone took a dookie in here. You know?
I don't think that's what happened.
You're like Bushwacked. Hey, mister, I gotta take a dookie. I don't know. Oh, Jesus. Alright. It just stinks.
Whew.
Oh. This is nasty. We got a pretty good view of what we need. We're gonna go ahead. I'll vacuum this nasty car out and write down what we need on that whiteboard for future information. Alright, we just completed, finished gutting this bad Larry out. Still smells like doo-doo. I don't know where that smell is coming from. I think it's somewhere in the dash. Someone left me a little present. I'm not happy about that, but nothing you can do about it. Alright, so this is pretty much our Ford Mustang to-do list. And it pretty much sums up what I know of right now. Obviously, it's going to need far much more than this. This is pretty much like a generic category of grouping. So like paint, interiors include like the seats, the carpets, like all that. I summed it all up into one. Paint, summed it all up in one, like base coat, primer, everything's into one. The bodywork, that's summed up. That's including the panel matching, the doors, everything like that, the rot and whatnot. Wiring, gotta rewire the whole vehicle. I'm gonna get a whole new wiring harness for it. Glass needs to either be replaced or polished, especially the gaskets around it as well. The window motors that are in here, the crank ones, all need to be replaced, the regulators. I gotta undercoat the floor, and underneath it was not done. I wanna make sure it stays pretty damn good. I don't know what I'm going to use, preferably probably 415. I haven't used that yet. I've used Restore in the past and I haven't had that much luck with it, so I'm going to try a different brand and see how that works out. Rims and tires. The tires definitely need to be replaced. The rims, I don't know if I'm going to get new rims on it or keep it the historical, just steely on there with the hubcap. The chrome all around it needs to get replated or replaced. I haven't found out when I'm going to go down that route. The bumpers are here down at the bottom, so I'm not quite sure about that. The AC system needs to be replaced, such as the pump needs to be rebuilt. I don't know about a lot of missing components in there, so a lot of it has to be new. The power steering pump needs to be rebuilt. Ignition, I summed it up into everything, you know, plugs, points, everything needs to be done. The wires, brakes, the brakes goes to the floor. Got to find out where the leak is. Got to find out if we need the shoes, drums. Probably just gonna redo it all to make it look nice. I don't know if that's in the shot. Looked nice. No, it wasn't. Door handles and locks. Got to put them on so that this becomes more functional. A car. Either get the original one rebuilt or just put a different one on there. I was thinking maybe a 4-barrel carb with an upgraded air intake. I'm not really looking for fuel economy here. I don't really give a crap about that. So the more power, the better. But obviously, it's not going to be a drag car or anything like that. Just a nice little, you know, weekend getter type, farting, tooting around type of thing. The bottom top's got to go back on. I got that. Got to see what color it is. See if I even want that color. It's still in the box. Engine bay. I mean, anything. That pretty much groups anything that I missed, like hoses, stuff like that. Bolts, anything like that missing, and upgrades, stuff that's not going to depreciate the car in value since you are modding it a little bit, something that's going to either keep it the same or improve the value of it. I definitely don't want to tinker too much with upgrades and mods because I don't want to depreciate the value of it. Electrical, I put that in there. I mean, it needs a whole bunch of stuff in here. I'm going to pretty much play with the switches. Probably a whole bunch needs to get replaced or rebuilt. The lights, of course, needs a battery and whatnot. Needs an exterminator in here because there's a lot of ants. So that pretty much sums up this video today. Tune in for more Mustang content. There's a whole crap ton coming. And then that Jeep right there on my XJ is getting painted. I'm hoping next week, waiting for the paint to come in and whatnot. I pretty much did all the body work off camera, so tune into that as well. And there's a lot of great content coming this way. We've got an exhaust system coming for the Subaru, so we're gonna see that, Subaru, whatever you want to call it. But like, share, subscribe, you do whatever you want. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great night.